everyone, welcome. Today we are going to be exploring the Holiday Inn Club Vacations Orange Lake in Kissimmee, Florida. So let's dive in. First of all, this resort is located on Earl Bronson Memorial Highway. I'm going to tell you guys why this is our favorite resort at the moment and why I think it might be a good choice for you. There are so many resorts near the theme parks in Florida that it is really difficult to choose. So let me first tell you guys that this resort is huge, and I mean massive. Okay, we made it to Orange Lake, Holiday Inn Orange Lake, and it is a massive resort. So we've just come in off the road, Earl Bronson Memorial Highway. We're gonna go check in. So Orange Lake has a massive lazy river. It is 1,200 feet of lazy river. It ends in 2 different pools. There's also so much more to do while you are there. So when you're booking this resort online, it's going to offer you the option of booking by the water park. And that might be a great idea for some of you guys. It is a little bit busier. You're very close to the marketplace where you can get your coffee and anything that you might have forgotten. You're gonna be close to the main pool and the water slides and that sort of thing. But just keep in mind that this is gonna be a busier area. So as for things to do in this resort, there is so much for you to do. Shuffleboard, cornhole, they've got 7 pools, fitness centers, arcades, mini putt, golf courses. So how are you gonna get around the property? They've got 22 shuttle stops here. That's how big it is. I did manage to get a deal on this. It was book 2 nights, get the 3rd night free. We stayed for 7 nights. I ended up getting 2 of those nights free. It was a reasonable price. There is a resort fee. It covers most of what is offered here. Some of these things are gonna be an extra cost, so just look into that before you go, depending on what you'd like to do. Your inner tubes for the lazy river are gonna be $9 a day at the moment. Parking is included in that, although I'm gonna give you a little caveat to that. When you go to check into this resort, you have to go into the administration area and they do have you check in. Now once you've checked in, because this is also a timeshare property, they're going to send you over to another desk where they're going to ask you a bunch of questions regarding who you're there with, how long you're staying, the ages of your children if you have any, and basically what they're trying to do is get you into a timeshare presentation. It is a timeshare property, so they will continue to ask you these questions. It often takes, 20 minutes, half an hour to get out of there, and that is just to get your parking pass. That is one of the tactics they use in order to try and get you into their timeshare presentation. They send you over to the parking desk just to get your little parking pass, and they're going to start peppering you with questions. So just a no thank you, I'm not interested in timeshare, and just continue on with that until they give you your parking pass and you are happily on your way. Like I said, I like to book the quieter section of the property. This is in the very, very back of the property, so it's gonna take a little bit longer to drive there. It took us about 10 minutes from the road up to our resort area, but it is quieter up there. We were directly beside the pool. They put us up on the 6th floor. I had asked for a fireworks view, and I did. I got a spectacular view of the fireworks. So now some of these rooms back here are renovated. I ran into a couple in the pool, and they were staying in the building just beside us, and they had a brand new updated room. I didn't get to go inside that room. I will show you our room here in just a second. So what this couple was saying was that there was still price tags on some of the artwork in the room. They had gotten a beautifully renovated room, so I know that that is in the process right now. Our room was not necessarily dated, but maybe needed a little bit of updating and refurbishing. It was particularly dirty, but I think that was just from wear and tear, so nothing really bothersome. They have a vacuum in the room. There are other cleaning items in the room, so we were able to take advantage of those things. The kitchen in particular did need a bit of an update, but I'll take you on that room tour now.
Watch out for any giant green grasshoppers.
Yeah, spider up there.
Where?
All right, first look of the room.
Okay. Oh. Wow, this is great.
It smells a little musty, but it's probably just closed off. 2 bedrooms. Looks like somebody got really excited with those pictures up there. This is fantastic. Exactly what we need. Okay, so we'll go into the living room first. We're gonna get our luggage all unpacked here. We've got a banquette seating, a couch,
There's 2 remotes.
a couple of couches.
There's 2 remotes.
TV is tucked into the wall with the kitchen.
Look at this. I think you can control 2 TVs.
There's the phone on the wall. So this is a timeshare facility. We usually unplug the phone because they will call you and try to get you to do the timeshare. When you check in, they try to get you to do timeshare when you pick up your parking pass. So just tell them you're not interested in a timeshare. There we go. We've got garbage down there. Also, don't leave your garbage out because Florida has a lot of cockroaches.
Wait, what?
Yeah, Florida, very warm climate. So they've got a juice jug in the fridge, lots of stuff, lots of space. Everything that you need. You've got a blender up there. There's a kettle. I don't see a coffee maker, which that's going to be rough. Oh, sorry. I probably already showed this in the video, but there is a coffee maker. I just didn't look with my own eyes. There's all the plates and the cups and the mugs and the bowls. So, basic kitchen, but absolutely amazing. We have a lot of stuff because we are on a driving trip, so I didn't have to pack light. I packed a big suitcase with all of my things. This is the primary suite. We don't do masters anymore. Let's see. Lots of spots to plug stuff in. We've got a balcony out there. We'll head out there in a second. We've got a bathroom. Hello everyone. I've got lots of stuff still on. I just walked in the door and it looks like they have Dove products. Body lotion, hand wash right there. And then a soaker tub. Separate space for the toilet so you can brush your teeth. Have somebody use in the bathroom at the same time. Shower. Pretty standard. They've got the Dove products in here too. Body wash, conditioner, shampoo. They've got these little tiles that poke out. Never seen that before. So, sweet. Love it. Gonna take off my backpack. Oh, there's a pool towel here. There's a little desk in the corner. Oh my goodness, this stuff gets heavy. Little desk in the corner. You need to do some work. Let's see what's in the closet. Rules and regulations and laws of Florida. Pool towels up top, hangers, and then a little spot to put your luggage. Let's go across the hall. So left is the front door. This is the hallway leading into the second bedroom where we have the laundry. Extra blankets that tied up there, so they've already given you some laundry soap. This is our second bathroom, which is a little bit smaller. Same products in there. Looks really good. This one is painted blue. I like that. Usually it's beige. Everything is beige here. I like when they give it a little color. There's also carpet in here. A lot of places down here they do tile because, you know, you're coming in from the pool, everything is wet. And I actually prefer to walk on the tile in public spaces than I do to walk on the carpet, but no complaints. So these look like double beds. These are not twin size beds, which lots and lots of space in here. This was not an expensive stay. We are here for a week. It cost about $1,500 American for that week. Considering how big the rooms are, I think that's a good price. So, yeah, that's it. All in all, fantastic. Let's go unpack. Here we go. Oh, I missed this closet. Vacuum, iron, ironing board, little dustpan, so you can keep it tidy. Okay, let's go out on the patio. Wow. So it's screened in, which is amazing. We've got a nice view out the back here and the golf course over to my left. There's a pond down there. We are directly beside the pool. So you can't really see it, but it's through those trees there. There's multiple pools here, so you don't have to worry about whether or not you're going to be close to a pool. And then we've got a patio table out here. So the primary suite is right there. This through here is the living room. And this is why I love staying off property on Disney. Just the amount of space you get for the same or less as you would pay staying on property. And the washer dryer. You guys know me. I love my washer dryer. So some of the things to note here, we were directly beside the pool, the fitness center that was part of that area as well. It was quieter. There was not a lot of people in the pool whenever we visited. As well, there was a hot tub there. We had the fireworks view, which was lovely. You guys, I got my firework view. Oh, I'm so happy. They've got the screening on the porch so that the bugs at night tend not to come in, although we did at one point have a cockroach try to enter our room, but it did not get in, so no problems there. It is a condo style building, so we were up on the 6th floor, and I just love it back here. I think this is the place to stay if you are choosing this resort. I don't want to be next to the really busy pool, although I can see why some people with younger children would enjoy that. We've also ended up staying in one of the bungalow style where the birds will come right up to the back door and you're backing onto the golf course, which is a lovely view. But I think, in my opinion, getting the fireworks view is just really enjoyable if you're not staying at the parks later into the evening. You can come back to your room, it's nice and quiet there, and you can just decompress and watch the fireworks at your own leisure and just enjoy your evening. So like I said, you guys, this is really close to all the major attractions, and this is our top pick at the moment for this area. I love this Four Corners area. I hope you guys found this video informative and enjoyable. So if you did, hit that subscribe button for me. Come along on all the adventures and journeys. And yeah, we'll see you guys all in the next video. Thanks, everyone.